Now that you booked your cleaning appointment, you're trying to figure out what's the next thing to do to prepare your home for your cleaning service. Well, my name is Amber Swanson and I'm a professional house cleaner. I own my own house cleaning business and I'm going to share with you 7 tips that's going to help you to prepare your home for your house cleaning service. What Benjamin Franklin likes to say is failing to prepare is preparing to fail. And it's so important with these tips that I'm going to share with you because it's going to help you save time and money. And I know you want to do that. So if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe. Out of curiosity, what do you plan to do to prepare your home for your cleaning appointment? Go ahead and leave that in the comments below. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1 is you want to find out what the company policy is. This is going to help educate you on what kind of services the company provides, what they do, what they don't do. Tip number 2 is you want to have a game plan with leaving areas open for the cleaner to clean. So for example, if I'm in this room and I'm recording this video, the cleaner knows not to come in here. But when I've already communicated with them that I will be available at noon and will be out of that space, it's free and clear for that cleaner to clean. House cleaners love having a free and clear area to clean with no pets or distractions, and they can focus on the task at hand. So having a game plan and communicating this beforehand will save a lot of time and headache. Number 3, make sure that you pay on time. If the service has been rendered, it all comes down to what the policy states, but paying on time shows common courtesy and respect. Tip number 4 is there are a lot of ways to show appreciation. And it doesn't always have to be monetization, which is nice and greatly appreciated, but you can personally leave a personalized thank you note, you can leave reviews or provide referrals. But whatever way to show your gratitude is greatly appreciated, especially if the cleaner has done exceptional work. Let them know we appreciate it. Tip number 5 is this will not only save you money, but it will save the cleaner time. And picking up the day before is so beneficial because the cleaner is coming there to clean, unless you already have an agreement that they will be doing both. But trust me, it will save you a lot of dollars if you go ahead and pick up beforehand. And it allows the cleaner to focus a lot more on cleaning. Trust me, you'll really appreciate that tip. Tip number 6 is having great communication or just being available during that scheduled cleaning time. This is so important, especially if you're not going to be home. So say the cleaner has arrived and now they're locked out and they can't enter your home, or your animals loose, or any of those. It's so important to be available, to be able to respond quickly by text or just a phone call for safety reasons and the whole 9. This is going to help you tremendously to get the best cleaning experience ever. Tip number 7 is if you have an ongoing cleaning service, go ahead and ask the company if you can leave a priority list before each cleaning saying these are the certain areas that you want them to focus on, or if they have certain systems. Now, every company is different. So if you wanted something deep clean, if they have a certain amount of time that you need to notify them for that service, it's so important to know what their policy is and just having great communication altogether. That's going to help you to have the best cleaning experience ever. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and share this video with someone else who you can help relieve the overwhelming stress of trying to figure out what's the next move to maximizing their cleaning experience. In the meantime, check out this next video. Stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.